The girl is running.
No, the girl is...
Going.
Oh, just try it normal.
The John is going. The girl is going. The giraffe is going. The goose is going. Everyone is going to the football game. My nanny says.
No, my...
Grandma says good night, sleep tight, don't let the bed. What's bed?
Bed.
Bugs bite.
Go ahead, mister. You big reader.